If you're looking to treat your team or your top clients this winter season, our custom branded kits are the perfect solution. Hey everyone, my name is Laken. I'm the Director of Marketing at Campus Inc. Today I'm going to run you through one of our newest offerings, custom branded kits. We've been piloting this with some of our closest customers, and we've selected and curated some really great products for you to take a look at. Step one is working with you to curate 3 to 4 items that fit your needs and what you would like to give your team members. From there, we'll help you either design a custom branded box, or you can always use one of our standard boxes as well. Finally, we'll hand assemble your kits and send them on their way. We can send them directly to your team members, or we can send them to you to pass out. Oftentimes, our customers like to do a blend of both promotional products as well as custom apparel. Today, I'm going to run you through some of our more popular items, but the sky's the limit. We can really do anything that you're looking for. Starting off with a few of our more popular promotional pieces, we have cell phone accessories and notebooks. For our cell phone accessories, we have these sling grips, pop sockets, and you can of course add any version of your logo that you would like. This notebook is one of my favorite iterations. We've got plenty of options, but this one has a nice soft leather feel and an embossed logo where you can put your design. For the fall and winter season, one of our favorite additions is this fully customizable knit hat. You can make it completely your own, from the patch to the color to the pattern and even the wording. If you're looking for a more premium addition to your box, we have these full zip Eddie Bauer fleeces that have custom embroidery on the side. If you have another apparel item in mind, we can always add that as well, from t-shirts to hoodies to even custom masks. If you're looking for a unique and thoughtful way to treat your team this winter season, our custom kits are a great option. Reach out to us today to get started.